In this video, we'll check out Git, the world's most popular version control system, and explore the broader world of version control. Version control is essential for developers, project managers, and anyone who wants to keep track of changes in a project. We'll cover the basics of Git, branching strategies, and collaboration workflows, plus take a quick look at some alternatives to Git. Version control is a system for managing and tracking changes to files over time. Think of it as a timeline where every change is recorded, allowing you to revert to previous versions, track changes, and collaborate with others. Single-user projects, version control lets you track your progress and experiment without losing your original work. Collaborative projects, multiple users can work on the same codebase, resolving conflicts and merging changes as needed. Imagine a team working on the same codebase without version control. It'd be chaos. Version control solves this by providing a structured way to manage changes and collaboration. Git is a distributed version control system, meaning every user has a complete copy of the repository. Let's go over some basic terminology. Repository, repo, a collection of all your project's files and the entire history of changes. Commit, a snapshot of changes in the repo with a message describing what changed. Branch, a separate line of development allowing multiple workflows in the same project. Merge, combining changes from one branch into another. Remote, a shared repo on platforms like GitHub or GitLab, where team members push or pull changes. Understanding these terms is essential as we dive deeper into Git. Let's get hands-on with Git. We'll start by setting up Git, creating a new repository, and making our first commit. If you haven't installed Git yet, download it from gitscm.com and install it on your system. Initialize Git. Use git init to initialize a new Git repository. Configure Git. Set up your name and email with git config username followed by your Git name and git config user email followed by your Git email address. Create your first commit. Add files with git add and commit them with git commit m and the commit message. With these basic commands, you've set up your Git environment and created your first version. Now that we have a repository, let's explore the essential Git commands you'll use daily. Git add stages changes, preparing them to be committed. Git commit saves a snapshot of stage changes. Git push sends local commits to a remote repository like GitHub. Git pull fetches and merges changes from the remote repository. These commands are the backbone of Git. They let you stage changes, commit them, and sync your work with a team. Branching is one of Git's most powerful features, allowing you to work on different features, bug fixes, or experiments without affecting the main codebase. Creating a branch. Use git branch name to create a new branch. Switching branches. Use git checkout branch name to switch to a different branch. Merging branches. After you've made changes, merge your branch back to the main branch with git merge branch name. Branching makes it easy to work on features independently. For collaborative projects, branches help keep your work isolated from others until it's ready to be merged. When multiple people work on the same code, conflicts are inevitable. Here's how to handle them and some best practices for smooth collaboration. Resolving conflicts. When two branches make changes to the same line of code, Git flags it as a conflict. You'll need to decide which change to keep. Best practices. Regularly pull changes from the main branch. Write clear commit messages and communicate with your team about major changes. Handling conflicts well is a crucial skill for any developer. By following best practices, you can avoid many common issues and keep your project running smoothly. While Git is by far the most popular version control system, there are others worth mentioning. Subversion, SVN, a centralized version control system used by some organizations. Mercurial, another distributed version control system with simpler workflows than Git. Perforce, often used in large enterprises with complex workflows. Each has its own strengths and use cases. Git's distributed nature, however, makes it especially suited for open source and collaborative projects. That brings us to the end of our video on version control. Git and version control, in general, are essential skills for every developer. They empower you to track changes, collaborate with others, and ensure your code is always in a safe place. We hope this video has demystified Git and given you the confidence to dive into version control. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into software development.